So hey everyone, this is Sharad here, and today I'm going to review Avalon system, and which is going to be launched on 21st of August. So before we moving forward, please do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for latest product reviews. And I have very special bonuses for you, which is worth around $5,298. So here I am in Avalon system dashboard. So let's go step by step. So this product is actually created by Tom E and Vic Carty. So you probably know his guy is, especially Tom E. He has a home of different amazing products. His products always works, so that's why I always review his products. And Vicky Carty is actually an ex-IGB product partner of mine, so to amazing marketing partners. So what is Avalon system is all about? So this is new software instantly triggered hundreds of real actual humans that are even very easy to convert into buyers. That 100% organic free buyer traffic and engagement we are talking about here. That 100% organic traffic and engagement won't make you any sale. But what it does, it causes you freshly uploaded videos to make a dramatic and instant jump in ratings. Now placing in front of hundreds of ultra targeted daily visitors. Keep in mind these bodies work for us. They are not some untrustworthy fibers hires. Again, this is only software in the marketplace that use real actual humans, which is why incredibly powerful. So this is my bonus page, which is linked in the description box below. Go and check out this bonus page. So in this bonus page you will see that, so this is my review video about Avalanche, and below that this is my written article about Avalanche, what is Avalanche, key points of Avalanche, prices and upsells. So this is my bonus page, which I will be given to you absolutely free of cost. So here I am in the members area of Avalanche. So in this member area you will see that in the left hand side there are many options are available. So we will check step by step. Step number 1 is getting started, and after that private innovations and Avalanche full systems, and step number 4 is access your software. Step number 5 software training part 2 number 1, and after that software training part number 2, and their bonus strategy sessions, and after that their exclusive bonuses, which was we previously talking about, and after that their semi exclusive bonuses, and the last one is their support also. So we are going to be accessing the software, which consists of two number 1 and number 2. Then we have software training part number 1. So we have two videos right here, and software training part 2. So we have 6 number of videos right here, and then we have goal strategy sessions, and as you can see you have 2 additional videos absolutely in support again. So everything you need is right here, both pieces of software and the older video training on how to use it and how to make money with it. So this is all about prices and upsell. You can check out this bonus page for prices, and after that we'll move forward to my bonuses. So the bonus number 1, we will be getting 100 products with their reseller rights. So in this bonuses you will be getting all these 100 digital products with their reseller rights, which means you can resell them or make money with them. And the next bonus is bonus number 2, access to email list profit funnel course. So in this bonus you will be getting, find out how you can instantly monetize your email list even if your email list is very small, and discover the top strategies for generating fast cash from email broadcasts and autopilot. And the next bonus is bonus number 3, access to e-course publishing tips. So in these bonuses we will be getting Find out how you can create your own e-course and sell them into advertising platform. So the next bonus is bonus number 4, digital products business blueprint. So in this bonus you will be getting 56 pages super comprehensive PDF report on how to sell digital products online, 101 digital products that you can sell online, 17 platforms for selling digital products, benefits of memberships and side platform. And the next bonus is bonus number 5. Case study, 2.9 million free website, free visitor from author's content. So in this bonus number 5, you will be getting case study shows how you can spend 15 minutes of your time for a copy and paste jobs using your computer. Then you can create super cats packets that will pull free buyers traffic as much as 2.9 million targeted traffic in just 2 months. And the next bonus is bonus number 6, case study of how to generate 300k unique visitors. So in this bonuses we will getting discover how to generate 300k unique visitors, build a list thousands of and make money without selling anything from 100% free traffic by legally stealing other people's contents. And the last bonus is bonus number 7. You will be getting all the vendor bonuses if you purchase through my link, and this all vendor bonuses you will be get on the members area of Avalanche system. So if you want to buy this Avalanche system, go through my link and collect all of my bonuses